have a sweet story for you about a young baker who left his home in the Bronx to make his dreams come true out west. He tells correspondent Lawrence Zarian that California is where he was able to find, embrace, and celebrate himself and indulge in a delicious new journey of making sweet treats.
That's right, Danny. Pride is in the air. And as we all say, love is love. And you know what I love? I love something sweet and delicious to eat, which is why I brought my new BFF. He's a chef, he's a baker, he's an entrepreneur. Chef Jay Anthony with the Puerto Rican flavor, Irizarry. How did I do?
You did great. You did great.
Excellent. So first of all, let me just say this. Happy Pride.
Happy Pride.
And what does Pride Month mean to you?
Well, Lawrence, being a native New Yorker from the Bronx, I was never really able to, be my full potential or be my truth. So this month, honestly, just reminds me that even if you don't have that immediate support at home, it's out there. And this month is shouting it loud and proud.
Shout it, Happy Pride, everybody.
Yeah.
And as I was just saying, I love sweet treats. So where did your passion for food come from?
Well, I grew up in a Puerto Rican household, so I think that should say enough. I always came home to home-cooked meals from my abuela, and I would always get in the kitchen. It's almost like second nature for me.
And so when you came to LA, you were a bartender, you were a waiter, you were a caterer, you did it all. But then it was during the pandemic that you created, wait for it, these are called Cake-sicles. What is a Cake-sicle?
So a Cake-sicle is a clever sort of mesh of a cake pop and a popsicle.
The love child.
Oh yeah, big time. So you can have them either frozen or just on their own. They're stuffed with a cake sort of truffle and white chocolate outside.
And I went to the website. Your website is called?
IndulgeandI.com.
And seriously, these are like works of art. And you have like 15, 16 different flavors.
Definitely.
And you custom make the Cake-sicles with your clients.
I sure do. And I usually rotate flavors seasonally. And if I have a custom order that I fall in love with, I might add that flavor to the menu.
Okay, so then here's the thing. As you know, I don't know how to bake or cook. Word is out there. Everybody knows. So you're going to show us how to make, what is this called?
This is going to be a white chocolate cherry crumb bar.
Okay, so break down the ingredients, and you've even said I can make this. So what do you have?
Absolutely. So right over here, we have a cup of butter that's softened.
Okay.
Then we're going to move over to our granulated sugar.
Okay.
That's a half a cup.
Right.
And then we also have a half cup of light brown sugar.
Okay.
3 cups here of all-purpose flour.
Okay.
Some almond extract, white chocolate chips, and then a little bit of a secret ingredient, which is vanilla powder. It's
not so secret anymore.
Not so secret anymore, but it's really simple, and it gives a nice, great vanilla flavor.
And we put all of this in there, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so that is step 1. How many steps to making this?
So there's about 2 steps.
Okay.
It all goes in one bowl.
Okay, step 1, let's put everything in the bowl.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna add in is our melted butter. That's cooled down to room temperature. Then we're gonna dump in our sugars. That's our half a cup of granulated. Got our half cup of light brown. We're gonna dump in our vanilla powder. Gonna measure out some almond extract, some vanilla, which never gets measured. So what I did was I measured out a half a teaspoon of baking soda, baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt.
Great.
And that all goes in there. Then we're just gonna grab a fork and just fork it up just to mix it up a little bit. Now that we have our wet ingredients just generally mixed up, we're gonna throw in all of our 3 cups of flour. And with that same fork, just go ahead and get a crumble out of this mixture.
Okay, so what we've done, don't you love that I'm saying we?
Yeah.
So what we've done is we put all the dry ingredients in here. Why are you using a fork?
So a fork helps me get this crumble texture that I'm looking for.
Okay, and then what happens?
So I'm gonna use more than half of this mixture to put at the bottom of my baking tray. Separate this crumb mixture and get the whole bottom of the baking dish coated. So the next step is we're gonna add the lemon juice and the cornstarch to this mixture.
So you squeeze
it right in there.
Squeeze this in here.
And then we're gonna throw our cornstarch inside as well.
Okay, so a tablespoon of cornstarch.
Then we're gonna stir this up and pour it right over our crumble. You can just dump it right in and use the spoon to sort of spread your cherries out.
Like this?
Yeah.
Now what do you do with the white chocolate?
So we're gonna just sprinkle a cup of white chocolate chips evenly across the cherries.
Okay.
And then we're gonna top it off with the rest of our crumble that we put to the side earlier.
Okay, just like this?
Just like that.
Now here's a little fun fact. Did you know that any sort of crumble is my favorite thing in the whole world?
Oh, really?
And then how long do you put this in the oven?
So this is gonna bake in the oven for 18 to 22 minutes, depends on how hot your oven gets.
And you preheat it to what temperature?
It's gonna bake at 350.
Do you preheat it or just set it for 350 and then put it in?
Yeah, make sure you preheat that.
For how long?
For about 15 minutes.
15 minutes, okay.
All right.
Okay, that smells so delicious. Okay, put it right here. Okay, so what happens now, Jay Anthony?
So from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and garnish it with some fresh lemon zest.
Okay.
Just to complement those cherries.
Okay.
And I am gonna dust it with some of this powdered sugar here.
Okay, you're taking way too long. So then you dust it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then, I mean, you can smell the white chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, hold on. Okay, this is so, it's like a celebration in my mouth. I can taste the cherries. I can taste the white chocolate.
Good.
I can even taste the lemon zest.
Good.
There's so many layers to this. This is so good. Can I keep going?
Absolutely, it's all yours.
Okay, oh, it's all mine. Did you hear that, Danny? That means that this is all mine. And am I gonna share? No. Oh my God, this is delicious. Thank
Good,
you so much.
enjoy.